Facing an increasingly competitive, threat-filled environment, aerospace and defense companies are challenged to accelerate modernization and deliver advanced capability to warfighters faster. As complexity of these capabilities increase, embedded software plays a greater role in delivering functionality, safely and reliably, every time. But using traditional coding methods has become inefficient, time-consuming, and expensive, often causing ambiguity and lack of accuracy in specifications, with design and coding errors, and high cost to debug and verify. With SCADE, all these problems are resolved. From the architecture and design of embedded controls, mission systems, and human-machine interfaces, to qualified code generation, ANSYS SCADE ensures an efficient, model-based process for designing and verifying software at the earliest stages with full end-to-end traceability. So safe operation is built in. For air, sea, and land mission systems, supporting uncompromising safety, tight system integration, and a high degree of responsiveness. Develop mission and safety-critical software 2 times faster. Adhere to open and interoperability standards such as ARINC 661 and the FACE technical standard. Reduce effort and cost by 50% with ANSYS SCADE.